I have got a one person. He's a English trainer, means English teacher, and just he came in front of India. No India Gate red fort. This is no India Gate actually, and just I want to meet you him because nowadays English is most important. So that's why, according to him, what is the main benefit, what is the basic, and what is advanced. So how to speak English fluency from the beginner level. So just my
Hello everybody.
hello.
Yeah, hi. My name is Aman Kumar, and by profession I'm an English trainer. So,
Okay.
as I have already mentioned that I belong to Delhi. Basically,
Delhi.
I'm from Bihar, but for the past like 15 to 16 years, I have been in Delhi.
Oh.
And here in Delhi, I teach spoken English to the students, and I run my own academy as well. Apart from that, I'm associated with almost 4 to 5 tuitions where I teach.
But you are belong from Bihar.
Yeah, I belong to Bihar.
From which
Basically,
district?
yeah, the district name is Muzaffarpur. So I belong to
Muzaffarpur. Actually, I am belong from Gopalganj.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Okay. Actually, I have been speaking English. I have been trying to speak in English from 2 years ago, but currently I am speaking English slowly, slowly. Because nowadays most important English in the company and any field. Suppose that you are visiting the anywhere, somewhere you are visiting. So every places it has been read by in the English. So okay, you will get everything.
Sorry for the interruption. I would like to mention one more thing. English is not important only for when you are trying to or when you apply to get a job. English is very crucial when you are living at your home as well. Like whenever you buy anything, whenever you go to school, or whenever you go anywhere out here, basically out of your house, you will find every person speaking English. So you cannot escape from English. So English becomes crucial for us. That's
Actually, English is a language and you can speak. This is art.
And one more thing I would like to mention here, do not consider English as a subject because it's a language. First it was a language and then it was converted into subject. So whatever you are taught in English, that was a part of subjective test. But here when you speak this language, when you try to talk to somebody in English, it's a language and treat it as a language, do not consider it as a subject. And as a language, you must know how to speak English.
How to speak English.
Exactly.
But by practicing, by improving.
See, there is a saying in English, practice makes a man perfect. And I do not. One thing I would always tell my students, only practice cannot make you man perfect. Because if you practice and you do not know how to practice, where to practice, with whom you practice, then how would you get your success? How would you get to your destination? Make sure whatever you're practicing, make sure whatever you're learning, that should be precise. Only right practice can make you a man perfect.
But from the beginning level, start slowly.
Exactly.
Gradually.
See, if you are a beginner, you start using like phrases, normal word, whatever, and you can start speaking as well, like normal, common sentences as well. Like, what is your name? Like, I'm glad to meet you. Where are you coming from? What do you do here? Like this. So you can start speaking English like speaking all these small things, and that's how one day you will find yourself that you are confident. You are confident much to speak in English.
When you will become slowly, little bit content, definitely you can speak English fluently.
For sure. By doing practice, one day you will be a great speaker as well. Because practice makes you perfect. And remember one more thing, right practice will be there. Otherwise, we are not going to get the success which we expect from ourselves.
So what's your channel name?
Basically, I upload English content on my YouTube channel, and the name of my YouTube channel is English with Aman. English with Aman.
So please subscribe his channel. Okay, also because he is a best teacher. Right now I am making a vlogs, and by making the vlogs I have to learn English. Actually, I am a learner, not a teacher, trainer, but I am a blogger. I want to become a blogger. Overall world.
Okay, thank you so much for your cooperation, and thank you so much for
Okay, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, brother. Take care.